Here is the fan, quite big, I like it, that's what I wanted, with the clip in the bottom. Clip is very easy to move, like so, and of course to clip, just press that and whoop, with the big teeth here, it will clip on anything. Maximum opening though, it's about that. And it comes also with a hook in the bottom, so you can hook the fan upside down, like so, with the hook. And something I like, I actually didn't expect to have it, it's this screw here. It's called that the lock screw. Actually, once you mount the fan somewhere with this clip, to be sure it's secure, you put the screw through here, there we go, and this will press on the clip and will lock the clip correctly in place. That way this clip cannot open anymore, the screw will be on the way locking it. So I like this very cool system of locking the fan instead of just relying on the clamp here, because if the fan is upside down, for instance, and then you don't lock it, with some vibration it can just slowly up, clip down and fall, and there you go, no more fan. So that's a nice system here. And this screw go back to its own little compartment right here. Okay, back of the fan, it's where the magic happens, so where all the controls are located. And apparently this battery is also removable, so I like that, because that way if the battery fails, it can be replaced by another one. That way you don't have to replace the whole fan but just the battery, which I like, because usually on those devices where the battery is inside the device, when the battery fails, which it will, they always fail at some point, they are only rated for a certain amount of running hours. When those fail, then you have to return the whole item, you have to replace the whole item. Here, nope, here you can remove this block, the battery, and replace it, and then you can keep the fan. So that's also a good thinking right there. To turn on the unit, very easy, just press on off button. Tells me that the battery is fully charged, 100%, all the light here at 100%. It has USB-C in the back and the cable is included to recharge the fan. Now it is on, I'll turn on the fan here. This is speed 1. Very nice. So this first setting is just on, off, on, off. That's an interesting setting. So instead of just going in slow speed, you have like a little bit and then stop, and a little bit and then you stop. Interesting. Let's press one more on the fan button, and now it should be always on. Now it is always on. And I press again. More power, more power. And then I press again. Super mega power. Wow, it's quite a lot of air. Super mega power. And I press again, and it's off. So the first speed was interesting. The first on with the on off was interesting. Otherwise, on the mega setting, mega speed setting, it moved quite a lot of air. Here now, let's turn it on the normal slow speed. Here we do have a timer, so each time I will press the timer, see there is one dot on, another dot on, and another dot on, and then all dots are off. It's an hour, but it's basically 1 hour on the fan on, and it's shut off automatically. That's 3 hours the fan on, and it shut off automatically, and that's, if I remember well, it's 5 hours the fan on and it shut off automatically, and then that's just on all the time. And of course you have the quick off button right here. Once you are done using it, don't forget to turn off the battery pack as well. To turn it off, it's not one time, it's not press and hold, it's 2 times. So basically click click, here we go, and it's off. 1 click, it's on, and it tells me immediately the battery level. It's 50% here, 60% I guess, and then 2 times, and it's off. There we go. So that's for this nice hand fan. I'm going to have tons of use here, especially with the heat wave we have right now in California. That will be very useful. And about being useful, hope this video has been useful for you. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.